If you're looking for a chewing gum that goes beyond simple breath brushing and actively supports your oral health, NaturaBios Remineralizing Gum is a standout choice. Packed with probiotics and xylitol, it offers a thoughtful formula designed to protect and restore your teeth throughout the day. The main highlight here is nano-hydroxyapatite. I'm probably not pronouncing it right, but it's a natural mineral building block of tooth enamel. It helps restore microscopic defects on the tooth surface, reducing sensitivity and straining enamel over time. Inside we also have xylitol and probiotics. Xylitol inhibits harmful bacteria that cause cavities, while oral probiotics help maintain a balanced, healthy biome in your mouth to target the root cause of bad breath. This formula is also completely free from aspartame, artificial dyes, and gluten. Plus, the gum itself is plastic-free, making it a much better choice for the environment than typical petroleum-based chewing gums. When it comes to the flavor, the natural peppermint flavor is crisp, clean, and refreshing without being overpowering or chemically sweet. Because it uses natural gum bases and sweeteners, the texture starts soft and holds up nicely without turning rubbery too quickly. It leaves your mouth feeling genuinely clean rather than just coated in sugar or artificial mints. So the NaturaBios delivers an impressive all-in-one functional gum. It's ideal for anyone dealing with tooth sensitivity, looking for a natural enamel boost on the go, or wanting an eco-conscious alternative to conventional brands.